In Europe, nature's vengeance has struck, causing severe flooding in Murcia, Spain. The video footage depicts the grim reality of the situation, where heavy rains have triggered devastating floods in the region. The overflowing rivers have breached their banks, leading to the submersion of hundreds of homes in towns and villages. This has left communities stranded and in need of urgent help. The emergency services and local authorities have responded swiftly, initiating numerous rescue operations to save those trapped in submerged areas. The torrential downpour has also resulted in significant damage to infrastructure, including roads, bridges, and buildings. This disruption has severely impacted normal life in the region. In the wake of this deluge, the government is stepping forward to provide financial assistance for both rebuilding and recovery efforts. The scale of destruction and the challenges faced by the affected communities highlight the need for swift and comprehensive action to alleviate the impact of this natural disaster.
Gracias.